guys, it came in the mail. Star Wars Theory Saber. I'm opening it now.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Saber review. Just operate this thing if you're a newcomer, and how to get yourself a Theory Saber. Just visit theorysabers.com. It's right on the first page. He has a code going on right now as of May. You get a free Saber if you type in free Saber of your purchase, so you get that Saber and a free Saber. You also get a Theory 20% off discount on a purchase of your choice. I tried purchasing a mystery box Saber. I got myself a free Saber with that too, so that's going to be double mystery Sabers, so I don't know what they're going to be. So I got two Sabers coming in June. We have a mystery Saber, which is the Master's mystery Saber. It costs like $349, so just watch your pocket with that. Plus tariffs, of course. That's probably going to be like another 10. It's coming from Canada. He ships it from Canada, so that's why. Anyways, so I have a Master mystery box lightsaber coming in, and a free Saber ranging around the same price, which I will do a full review June once it comes. Anyways, with me today I have the Maul Slayer Episode 1 Phantom Menace Obi-Wan Kenobi. We're just going to open up, take a look at it, and yeah, I'll show you all the details. Here we go. Now, before I get into the Maul Slayer, I'd like to mention that I've actually been eyeing a Saber. I would really like to purchase it. It is the Boon Kestis. It's from the Jedi Survivor games. Very interested in it. It actually has a little cloth fabric with it, and it's actually a black hilt, so it's unlike the other ones I've had in the past. Anyways, I would actually like to consider buying that soon. If it doesn't come in the Master mystery box, I'm also considering purchasing the Apprentice mystery box sometime in June, July. But if it doesn't come in that, I may just purchase it on my own if I have enough. Again, it's up to you if you want to, pay, $300, $200 depending on the Saber. But right now he has a deal going on. If you just type in free Saber, you get that Saber and a mystery Saber. So it's up to you. Who knows? Maybe the Boon Kestis could be in the mystery Saber that could be coming in June. Anyways, on to the Maul Slayer. If we just look at the hilt, so if I grab the baggie here, the bag is actually very, very nice. It's a very fine cloth. It's like the type of cloth that you like to use to, wash screens with, or like wash a computer screen with. Very clean cloth. It's like electronic-y smell. It's like a Best Buy smell if you've ever been to a Best Buy. Upon opening it, it would also come in a little rubber bubbly packaging material. I already took that off, but it is a very, very actually pretty light compared to the other ones. This is Obi-Wan Episode 1 Phantom Menace Saber. It is actually in very, very good condition. It's practically brand new. So I would like to show you the ins and outs of this. So here we go. So let's get to the basics. Upon handling the Saber, you probably feel that there's probably more weight on the bottom, but if you shift your hand down a bit, you can counterweight it, and it's pretty much even, as all things should be. So if it's pretty, pretty wide. So if I use, like, say, 2 fingers and just set them here, my thumb's up, my thumb's not touching it, I can balance it just fine. Now, if I want to do 2 fingers, it's up to you if you want to do 2 fingers, or you could just do 1 finger. To show you that I'm not, doing anything. I'll try balancing it on my own here. If I just hold it like that, and then just lift off my finger like that, I still feel like it's going to fall. It's slowly tilting, but, it depends on the Saber, though. Some Sabers are heavier than others. This is actually not bad. If I actually probably weigh, it's probably... You know what? I'll go grab a scale, I'll let you know. So, I weighed it. The Maul Slayer, Obi-Wan's Episode 1 Phantom Menace blade is about 2.3 pounds, give or take. This is the electronic board. It is the LED, the NeoPixel. Out of comparison, I was also wondering myself what the weight limit was for another blade that I recently have. Anakin Episode 3 Revenge of the Sith. It is about 1.5 pounds just with the hilt, and it's probably another 2 pounds if you actually have the blade on it, depending on the blade. 32-inch and the 36-inch can vary depending on the weight. I think just on average it's probably like 2 pounds overall. It's not bad, it feels right. We'll discuss this later. By far, this is probably my favorite blade out of all of them. So definitely stay tuned. I got more blades coming in. Obi-Wan, Episode 1, Phantom Menace blade. Seems lighter, it feels lighter. Again, just like with the other one, you're pretty much holding a metal rod. So, or a metal tube. Well, let's hook it up and let's try it out. Of course, when you charge it, it comes with its own charging cord. So, in order to make sure that it charges all the way, don't let it charge overnight, but charge it, say, about 2 hours or so, and then check back. You just want to make sure that the battery is fully operational and ready for use. Now, what I think is the worst part, or you may find it being a fun part, would be tightening the screws on. These screws are extremely tiny, and if you drop it in like the grass outside or something, it's lost for good. Tightening it on isn't actually a major problem. You just gotta make sure it's snug enough where the blade's not gonna, you know, fly off when you're in the middle of combat. But just make sure that it's on there snug and tight and secured all the way down, so when you flick your wrist or hold the button, when it ignites, it's a nice clean ignition. So when activating the Saber, first you must put the battery into the hilt, screw it back on, and then press and hold the red button for a couple seconds. It should turn the Saber on, and all you gotta do is, after that, just tap this button here, changes the colors, and just flick of a wrist, should automatically ignite. So I'll show you in just a second. Okay, 32 inch. Now I don't have to worry about hitting into things. There's more room. Like, I feel like I have lots more room now. Anyways, that is the 32 inch, much shorter, 4 inch difference from the 36 inch. And I gotta say, I'd go with the 32 inch, cheaper, yes, but more room to move around, and to be honest, much more lighter than you would actually think. Again, 20% off discount off of Theory himself. And again, it took about 2 weeks for it to arrive. But, gotta say, looks pretty cool.